Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can try to fix Bluetooth issues on OnePlus Nord for 5G. If you have issues with connecting to your Bluetooth device, for instance, in the case of earbuds, you might see the information that you have failed to connect or pair the device. So there are a few things that you can do in order to try to fix this issue. First of all, if you are using, for instance, earbuds like I do, then you want to close the case or turn off your Bluetooth device completely. Then in the Bluetooth settings, you want to turn off Bluetooth and turn it on again. After that, you may want to reopen the case and enter the pairing mode, or of course, as long as you have to do that manually. And then once you do that, you can try to select the Bluetooth device one more time, and in this case it works for me immediately. I can press pair and there we go, now I am connected. However, in some cases this might not work at all. This might not solve the issue. So another thing that you can do is, of course, also make sure that the Bluetooth device is not connected to anything else. However, if you can enter the pairing mode, then of course this should prevent from happening. Connecting the Bluetooth device to something else and before you can connect to your phone. So if you can enter the pairing mode, then this shouldn't matter for you. On the other hand, if you cannot enter the pairing mode manually, then of course you need to make sure that you are disconnected from any other device. Alright, so nevertheless, if that doesn't help, if you still cannot connect your Bluetooth device to OnePlus Nord 4 5G, then another thing that you can do is scroll all the way down in the settings, and this time we're gonna go to the system and update options. And then we need to go to the backup and reset, and then choose reset phone. And over here we have reset network and Bluetooth settings. You want to go over here and then confirm that you want to do that. Of course, this will reset everything that is related to network and Bluetooth. So this includes Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile network settings. So you'll need to set up those things again. I'm gonna close my case and let's go back to the settings. Of course, like I mentioned, you will be also disconnected from Wi-Fi, so you'll need to connect one more time. But we're gonna move to Bluetooth first. And of course, we want to enable Bluetooth. We're gonna open the case as well. And we're gonna enter the pairing mode one more time. There we go. And we should be able to find our device over here. If you cannot find it, then over here where you have the circle, after a short while, there will be the refresh button, like right now over here. You can press on it in order to detect devices again. And of course, we can try pair the device one more time. And I hope this helps. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.